The Sustainable Procurement, Environmental and Social Standards Enhancement Center of Excellence, SPESSECE-ABU Zaria, is a recognized world-class provider of knowledge and skills in procurement, environmental and social standards. SPESSECE provides quality training in procurement, environmental and social standards that will facilitate growth in all sectors of the economy, which supports employees, communities, local and global environment.
You're welcome to Sustainable Procurement, Environmental and Social Standard Enhancement Center of Excellence. My name is Dr. Ibrahim Saniketa, the Project Manager and Secretary. My responsibility is the day-to-day administration of the center to see to it that effective and efficient management of the center is being achieved. The center, SPESSECE, Sustainable Procurement, Environmental and Social Standard Center of Excellence, Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, is brought about by the desire of the federal government to see to it that it fills the skill gap in the area of procurement, environmental and social standard. One of the basic tenets of development anywhere in the world is the issue of poverty eradication, inequality, addressing the issue of inequality, social justice, and corruption. So one of the mandate of this center is to see to it that it provide basic foundation for our students and participants that they tackle and handle challenges of development in Nigeria. So that is why the federal government, through the National University Commission, advertised the slot of SPESSECE to be competed among different universities in the country. And Ahmadu Bello University became one of the successful universities to host the centers of excellence because of our facilities and human resource capacity to handle the center. Apart from SPESSECE Center, we have so many centers in ABU Zaria, which give us the advantage over other universities in the country. So that is why some of the achievements recorded by this center is to see to it the major DLIs being set upon by the center have been achieved almost 95%. So it's the second best center in the whole country. And we have so many kind of interactions involving stakeholders. The catchment area of the center is the Northwest, involving Kaduna State, Kebbi State, Katsina State, Sokoto, Zamfara as the catchment area. So one of the achievements of the center is the issue of advanced certificate in procurement, advanced certificate in environment, and advanced certificate in social standard. It's a course designed for students to spend 9 months or a year in Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, and for them to be qualified to be admitted into 200 level. From among all the 6 centers of Nigeria, it is only ABU that scaled through and was given approval to run advanced certificate in the 3 clusters. And it's one of the greatest achievements of the center.
I am Professor W.S. Jaffet. I am the program leader of the environmental standard of the Sustainable Procurement, Environmental and Social Standard Enhancement Center of Excellence, Ahmadu Bello University Zaria. So the Sustainable Procurement, Environmental and Social Standard Enhancement Center of Excellence, Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, is actually part of this national space project, which broad general objective is to train procurement specialists, environmental specialists, and social standard specialists. Now, specifically, Nigeria is actually undergoing rapid infrastructure expansion. And because of that, the federal government and the World Bank carried out a need assessment, and they now found out that Nigeria is lacking in the area of procurement. And this procurement expert are needed actually to manage procurement activity in Nigeria. In addition to that, the new paradigm now, the new conversation is that procurement activities, as development activities, we need to put in environmental and social consideration into procurement activities. that is developmental activities. For instance, building of roads, building of bridges, installing of electrical power plant. These are laudable developmental projects, but the new paradigm now is to factor in environmental consideration, in the sense that those developmental activities will come with some a lot of environmental problem, which may interfere with the ability of those projects to meet their objective. So the new paradigm now is that we need to train environmental specialists that will be able to anticipate and predict the potential environmental problems that will come because of these developmental activities, with a view of either avoiding those problems, or if you cannot avoid those problems, you reduce their impact or mitigate their impact. So that's the objective of this center, and that's the objective of the environmental cluster, which I'm the head, is to train specialists that will mitigate environmental problems that are coming because of developmental activities. Now, the new paradigm is that before those projects, any project start, we need to be able to carry out an environmental and social impact assessment of those projects before those projects can be allowed to proceed. We have 5 tracks of training. Track A is the short executive course. Track B is the advanced certificate course. Track C is the postgraduate diploma. Track D is the master's, and then track E is the undergraduate. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you that SPESSECE-ABU have far exceeded that target. Right now, the master's, the postgraduate students is track D. We are about to churn out the first graduate of the postgraduate student, and even the masters by end of this year will be churning out the first graduate of masters. For the undergraduate, we just admitted our first intake, but they have gone well into the first semester. So we are hoping that before the end of this project, probably by next year, we are very confident that even the undergraduate student will be in their 300 level. But by and large, I'm very satisfied. I'm very confident to tell you that the SPESSECE-ABU has actually made the objective as to why the centers was actually established in the first place. Specifically, I'm talking about the environmental cluster.
My name is Abdullah Muhammad, and I am the program leader for procurement programs here at SPESSECE. I want to say that so far so good with the procurement cluster. We have been able to mount all the 5 tracks earmarked for procurement programs. We have started for the past 2 years. We've been conducting tracks A and B courses, and quite a number of graduates have been produced. Graduates are coming from various spheres of human endeavor. We have graduated people from various federal MDAs, from states MDAs, from local governments, and from the private sector as well. I can confidently report that we have graduated nothing less than 5,000 track A students. And then on the track B program, which is a 3-week program, we have also achieved significant progress there. We have graduated nothing less than 300 students from commencement till date. I'm also happy to report that our track C and D, which are the postgraduate diploma in procurement management and the MSc in procurement management, are also in full force. The postgraduate diploma students have completed their coursework, and they are writing up their project, which we hope in the next 2-3 weeks they will be done with their surveys, and they will submit their research projects, and they will be very good and okay to be graduated. The master's students, of course, are also making significant progress. They have finished their coursework. They are on IT at the moment, and as soon as they finish their IT, we will allocate research supervisors for them to start their researches. So we look forward to getting them graduate in the next 7 to a maximum of 1 year. A good number of them will graduate. And then lastly, our BSc program is also on course. We have admitted so far 24 students have registered, As I speak with you right now, they are holding lectures, and we hope that they are going to make significant progress as we plan. Thank you very much.
Patience Mudiari. I'm from the Department of Sociology at Ahmadu University. I'm an associate professor there. I'm also doubling here as the program leader, social standards, or what we call social development studies program. And we have about 5 programs. We have the short executive course, which is just for 5 days. For all those who are so busy, they won't have time to other programs, but they can at least take 1 week off from their places of work to attend this. That's the track A. We have the track B, which is an extension of this. It's an advanced certificate in social standards or social development studies. That takes 3 weeks. 2 weeks of extensive studies and 1 week of visit of observation, whereby the students now write a report. They go to a particular company or organization and write a report and submit at the end of 1 week. After which they are done with the advanced certificate training and awarded the certificates. We also started a diploma program, 9-month diploma program in social development studies. We had a first batch, I think 2023, after which we were asked to modify it to this 3 weeks. But of recent, we've gotten permission again to mount the 9 months diploma program, which will qualify the students to come into our 200 level degree program. And then we have the PGD, postgraduate diploma, and the masters. And just recently, we had our first intake of BSc social standards or social development studies students. So they're just starting with about 27 thereafter. Thereabout. They are still registering. In fact, I was just told that about 32 of them came to class. Not all of them are fully registered, but so that's the first batch of BSc we have. And right now we have accreditation going on for our programs. And social standards, you may be wondering why social standards. Yeah, the emphasis had always been on procurement, because when you go to procure things, you have to follow the right standards, follow standards. And then with time, they say, what about environmental impact? If you have a project, for example, how would that project impact on the environment? That's where environmental standards come in. And then it says, what about social, the human beings? How are the human beings impacted in terms of our livelihood? How would the livelihoods be impacted? The family, our cultural heritage, in terms of relations, interpersonal relations, violence, conflict, all those come in. So that's where the social aspect comes in. So we deal with that aspect. So ours is to train manpower at different levels that can help us solve societal problems. Because that's the goal, to solve societal problems. So we want to equip people with knowledge, with skills. They can cater for the needs of society.
For enquiries, contact 081 4762 3960 or 090 9711 6973. Or send an email to specie@abu.edu.ng or visit the permanent site of the center close to ABU Press Main Campus, Samaru, Zaria.